Hello guys, in this video I will share with you how to make video files not easily deleted on Windows 11 laptops. For those of you Windows 11 laptop users who have important video files in it, then it is highly recommended to do this method, so that videos are not easily deleted on your Windows 11 laptop. The first step, open the File Explorer on your laptop, then please find the video file that you will set so that it is not easily deleted. As for how to set it, you can pay attention to this small arrow to follow the steps. Now I have succeeded in making video files not easy to delete, but what if at any time we want to delete the video file? Note this small arrow to change the video file settings so that it is easy to delete.